Welcome to English for Life. Today, let's learn English with Lily's touching story.
They may come soon. I made their favorite soup today. My little Lily, you are growing so fast.
Grandma has been waiting for us all morning. Let's not be late. I want to be there for Grandma today, not just sit beside her. A small gift is nice, but our time will mean much more. Dino wants to see Grandma too. He will be very polite. All right, children. Let's go and make Grandma happy. We are coming, Grandma. Please wait just a little longer. I hope Grandma knows I missed her, even when I forgot to call.
Maybe that car is theirs. My heart is already smiling.
Here we are. Let's make this visit gentle and special.
My dear family, you are finally here. Come in, come in.
Grandma, I missed you. I am very happy to see you today. Grandma, this is Dino. He missed your soup too. We brought you some fruit, Mom. Thank you for waiting for us. It smells warm in here, like soup, cookies, and happy memories. Everything feels the same, but I feel like I forgot something important.
I cooked slowly today. Good soup needs time, just like love.
This clock sounds like Grandma's house. Slow, kind, and patient. Let's sit close. Stories sound better when family is near.
I kept these photos because every picture remembers a small piece of us.
Was Mom really this small? She looks almost like me.
Your mother once spilled soup here, then cried because she wanted to help.
I wanted to help, but I made a very big mess. Mom, your hair was so big. It looked like a cloud.
I made cookies too. I know children listen better with cookies.
I can help, Grandma. Please tell me where each cup should go. This tea is warm. It feels like holding a little hug. Oh, someone sent me a message from our class group. I will only look for 1 minute. I am still listening.
When your mother was little, she always asked me to tell one more story.
Just one more message. Then I will put it away.
It is all right. Young people have many things to see.
Lily, Grandma is still telling the story. Are you hearing her?
Lily, being in the same room is not always the same as being together.
Yes, Mom. I know. I am listening, I think.
The garden is quiet today, but I am glad the children are here.
Grandma looks happy, but
her eyes look a little sad.
Some days, this house feels bigger than it really is.
This photo was here the whole time, but I never really saw it. I want to understand why Grandma keeps this picture so close. She waited before. Maybe she waits more often than we know. No more screen now. Grandma needs my eyes and my heart. Grandma, may I sit with you and listen properly this time?
Of course, dear. I always have time for you.
I am sorry, Grandma. I was here, but I did not really listen.
Then come with me. A story can also live inside a recipe.
First, we prepare everything slowly. Careful hands make a meal taste kind. Watch my hands, Lily. We move slowly, and we keep our fingers safe.
I can do it slowly. I want to learn your way, Grandma. I am helping too. I have many spoons and only 2 hands.
This reminds me of being small. Mom always made dinner feel safe.
Stir in one direction, dear. Soup likes calm hands and a calm heart.
It smells like home, Grandma. I think I understand now. These carrots are small, but I helped make dinner with you. When I listen, even quiet moments can say many things.
Careful, it is hot. Dinner is ready, and my heart feels full.
This table feels like my childhood. I forgot how much I missed it.
Take some soup, everyone. I made enough for hungry hearts.
This is the best kind of dinner because everyone is truly here.
Grandma, this soup tastes warm, gentle, and very, very special. Grandma, I made something for you, but I feel a little shy. I wrote it in English, slowly, because I wanted every word to be clear. This is for you, Grandma. Thank you for loving us, even when we are busy.
Dear Grandma, your house is warm, but your heart is warmer. I love you. This card is small, but it gives my old heart a very big joy.
I promise I will call more often, and I will really listen.
This is what I hoped for today. Not a perfect visit, just a real one.
Grandma, can Dino and I visit again next week? I can help clean up. Today, I do not want to hurry away.
Before you go, I have something small, but it carries many dinners. Keep this recipe, dear. When you make it, remember this day.
I will keep it safe. It is more than a recipe to me.
We will come again soon, Grandma. You will not have to wait so long.
Tonight, my house is quiet again, but it does not feel empty.
This story reminds us that love is not only in big gifts. Love is in time, listening, and small moments together.
Thank you for watching English for Life. Subscribe for more slow English stories. Practice a little every day, and your English will grow.